Welcome back to our channel, where we explore important topics related to the environment. Today, we delve into a pressing issue that affects our planet: electronic waste, or e-waste. In this video, we'll discuss the impact of e-waste on the environment and why it's crucial for us to address this growing problem. Electronic devices have become an integral part of our lives. From smartphones to laptops, TVs to gaming consoles, we rely heavily on these gadgets. But what happens when these devices reach the end of their life cycle? Unfortunately, many of these electronic devices end up in landfills or are improperly disposed of, contributing to the ever-growing problem of e-waste. This has serious consequences for our environment. One of the primary concerns is the release of hazardous materials found in electronic devices, such as lead, mercury, cadmium, and brominated flame retardants. When e-waste is dumped in landfills or incinerated, these toxic substances can leach into the soil, contaminating groundwater and polluting nearby ecosystems. Studies have shown that exposure to these toxic substances can have detrimental effects on both human health and wildlife. They can cause respiratory problems, damage the nervous system, and even lead to certain types of cancer. Animals that come into contact with e-waste can suffer from reproductive issues, developmental abnormalities, and reduced lifespans. Recycling is often seen as a solution to mitigate the impact of e-waste. However, it's important to note that not all e-waste is recycled properly. Some recycling practices in developing countries involve unsafe methods, such as burning or dismantling electronics without proper protective measures. To address the e-waste problem effectively, we need a comprehensive approach. It starts with designing electronics with longevity and recyclability in mind. Manufacturers should prioritize using non-toxic materials and make their products easier to disassemble for recycling purposes. Proper e-waste recycling involves the careful extraction of valuable metals and components for reuse while ensuring the safe disposal of hazardous materials. This not only conserves valuable resources, but also reduces the environmental impact associated with mining and manufacturing new electronic devices. As consumers, we also play a crucial role in reducing e-waste. Instead of throwing away old devices, consider donating them or selling them to organizations that refurbish electronics. If recycling is the only option, make sure to use certified e-waste recycling centers that adhere to strict environmental and safety standards. Additionally, some communities organize electronic waste collection events where you can drop off your old devices for proper recycling. Participating in these initiatives helps prevent e-waste from ending up in landfills and ensures that valuable materials are recovered and reused. The benefits of e-waste recycling extend beyond environmental conservation. By recycling electronic devices, we reduce the demand for raw materials, lower energy consumption, and decrease greenhouse gas emissions associated with manufacturing new products. It's worth mentioning that e-waste recycling also presents economic opportunities. The recycling industry generates jobs and creates a sustainable market for recycled materials. By supporting e-waste recycling, we contribute to the development of a circular economy where resources are used efficiently and waste is minimized. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at the impact of e-waste on the environment and what we can do to address this critical issue. Remember, reducing waste and living a more zero-waste lifestyle is not about being perfect. It's about making small changes that add up over time. Every small action you take towards reducing waste can make a big difference in protecting our planet for future generations. So, let's work together to create a cleaner, healthier, and more sustainable world. If you found this video informative and helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content on sustainable living and reducing waste. We also encourage you to share your own zero-waste tips and experiences in the comments below. We would love to hear from you and learn more about your journey towards reducing waste. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore more ways to live a sustainable lifestyle.